Here's how to take a professional passport photo with your iPhone or Android. First, change your iPhone camera setting to portrait selfie mode and change the setting to studio light. Preferably you want to use a white wall, but if you don't have white wall, then that's okay. You have to try to find the best light source, and you can use the bathroom light if you got a nice bathroom lighting. You can use a window light. Now you could angle it to the side of you, or you could face the window so you get a well-lit photo of yourself. Or you could go to your front door, make sure you're under the shade, using the sunlight to light yourself, and then smile and take the shot. You can edit your photo and use the cleanup tool to get rid of any pimples or unwanted wrinkles. Now open up your photo and tap and hold onto your photo and shake it a little to take yourself out of the background. Using your other hand, go back to the photo album and let go of the photo you were holding, and it will create a photo with a white background. Now tap on that photo and take a screenshot and save it to your album. This allows you to have some room from your head to the photo edge. Now open up the photo and crop it square, and make sure your eyebrow to your mouth is in the center square guideline of your phone. Now you can print this or upload this to the passport website. But to make it easier, you can go to photogov.net and upload any photo you have in your phone album that you like, and PhotoGov will use AI to automatically crop to passport standard square, take out the background, give you other clothing options, and make sure your face looks its best. Follow, share, and like for more.